So we just paid off Silver State Electrical. Okay, so now we are still on the 19, but what happened here?
So we have an order
Okay.
from Albert.
Okay.
So I have to record that, and that's all, no?
Yep, just record it in Alan's little section here. Okay. So under commissions, right? Who did this purchase, or who did this sales order come from?
Super A Market.
Super A Market for the total amount of how much?
Mm-hmm. So I have a 498 and 80 cents.
Okay, so in this case, Super A Market. Super A Market, okay, for 498 and 80 cents. Is it 80 or 90? Let's double check that.
80.
80, that's good. All right, that's all we have. When do we deliver this?
The 21st.
The 21st of June. So in this case, that's all we have to do. Okay. So once again, we have grand opening sales for the 19.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go ahead and record this. Oops. I need my ledger.
Yep.
Okay.
Now the checking. How many times have a grand opening?
In this case, usually it's 1 week long, right? 7 days a week because it's a coffee shop.
Okay.
So that's normal. For a grand opening, it's usually a week long.
A week long. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I think we have the same situation here. Let me see. We got 1, 2.
The last time?
Nope, not enough space. So we need to put it in the next page right here for page 8. Okay, so 619 because there's definitely not enough space. There's missing like 3 lines. So in this case, when we are in this type of situation where the transaction is too long and we don't have enough space for it, general rule of thumb here is we need to draw a line under our journal. So then this prevents no no extra charges that people can just go ahead and write in here. So usually what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and draw a line. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line from this empty box to the very bottom of this box. Okay, and what that does is, right, the thing about Excel is you're able to lock or protect sheets. So then when people read the file or access the file, they can't change anything in there. Okay, so that's something about Excel that you can do, which is way level advanced of Excel, that you can lock your sheets so that you can't enter any information. Same thing when you print out these Excel sheets, is that when you print them out, this line's going to be there, so there's no way that you can write anything in there. Okay, so that's just that right there, that we should do this as a preventative measure for having no fraud happen. Okay, so we're going to skip that. Now we're on page number 8. Okay, so let's go ahead and go down the line. So how much cash did I receive?
800.
Hold on, let me.
90,
There you go.
898.80.
Okay, 898.80. How much was my discount?
20%. 207.57.
Okay. What was my sales for medium coffee?
Set for the medium coffee. So we have 171.14.
Okay. Large regular coffee?
269.10.
Okay. My medium supreme coffee.
Medium supreme coffee, we have a 224 and 10.
Okay. Large supreme coffee.
303 and 303 and 63.
Okay. And how much were my coffee mugs?
The coffee max, there are 69.90.
And how much tax was I charged or
60,
charged by customers?
68.50.
Okay, 68.50. Okay, once again, in-store sales grand opening 20% discount. All right, so let's go ahead and double check. Do our total debits match my total credit? So equal sum.
Mhm.
Okay, so we got $1,106.37. 1,090. Okay, so I missed something here. Let's figure out.
171.
171.14, 169.10, 224.10, 303,
Yep,
63.
303, 63, 69, 90,
Oh, I put 59. 69,
69,
90.
90.
There you go. Now we both have 1106.37. Perfect. Okay, good. All right.
So we go into the ledger.
And we're going to go now update our accounts in our ledger. So, starting off with checking.
We're checking. Mhm.
Okay. We had in-store sales.
So 522.66 plus 898.8, 1,421 and 46 cents.
1421.46.
Yep.
Good.
Exactly.
Okay.
Doing good.
Mm-hmm.
Selling good. This guy.
Mm-hmm. Sales discount next.
Sales discount. So yep. Mm-hmm. Okay, let me see. Sales discount. 58 plus 207, 566.28.
Good. 566.28. All right. Now we need to go to sales medium regular coffee. Okay, here we are. Sales medium regular coffee. How many cups did I sell?
86.
Okay,
What do we
for
have?
171.14.
Plus 171.14. 489.54.
Good. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is 90 cups. Oh, 260. Page number 7. Number 8, actually. Yes, right. 269.10. And we have 714.10. 38.61. Yep.
Good. Now my medium supreme. How many cups did I sell?
90 for 224.10 plus 408.36. So we have 632.46.
632.46. Good.
Yep.
And then our large supreme.
87. That's nine. So for 303 and 63, we have 882.97.
Good.
Mhm.
Okay.
We go to the caps, to the bags, ceramics.
Here we are. Sherman coffee mugs.
10. We sell 10 for 69.90. So we have 211.64.
211.64. Okay. Okay. Then last but not least, sales tax payable.
Sales tax payable 68.50. Seven. Yep. 68.5. It is 186 and 87 cents.
Good. Excellent. All right. No, wait. Yeah, 68.50. Okay. Next.
Was that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
That's it.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
So,
So now that's all for this now.
yes. Now let's go ahead and deposit the money that we received into the bank. Okay, for the 898.80. Okay. So deposits
Deposit for the
898.80. Okay. So in this case, it is now the 19, and because we have to do the cash and the check that we received, how much are we going to actually have in the bank?
so we have the coffee and how much was the deposit from the other one? 109. So we have 898.80 plus 109.53. 1,008.33. Yep.
Good.
So we're doing the deposit now. Deposit. Okay.
Yeah, because we're at the end of the day.
One thousand and 8.33.
Okay. Okay.
So this 898.8 plus 109.52. All right. This is the
Okay. So here it says right here that we used 16.5 pounds of regular coffee and 16.5 pounds of supreme coffee. So let's go ahead and enter these numbers in.
inventory.
Yep, inventory worksheet. Okay. So start off with regular coffee. We have here, it's 619. We have 16.5 pounds at that much, right? So what's my total amount that I sold? or used?
5 times 1.609381. So it is okay. 26.55.
26.55. Okay.
Mm-hmm. And we have 210 minus 16.5, so we have a 93.5.
Okay.
337, 97 minus 26.55, so it is 311.42. Divide by second, divide by 193.6, it is 161.
Good.
The price.
So right here, 26.55 is our cost of goods sold here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our Supreme coffee. 6.19, and we sold 16.5, or used 16.5 pounds. Okay.
To the same price, time 1.8,
1.8.
29.7. It's the same price all the time with so Supreme coffee. So it is 29.70.
29.70.
Mm-hmm. So we have 94 minus 16.5. Yeah. 77.5.
77.5 pounds left. Okay.
Time 1.8. 64. Yeah, it is 64 point. What was that? 77 pound. 0.5 times 1.8. 139.50. Yep.
Mhm.
So not good. Mhm.
All right, good. So,
So we're going to do the journal.
we're going to
Or
do the
start.
journal. Cost of
Yep.
goods sold.
So from regular coffee, they go yes, regular coffee and supreme coffee. What's the description that you put it here?
In-store sales.
In-store sales.
Mhm.
Okay. No, just because in-store sales it was the other one is not an adjustment of the inventory, something like that.
If you want to add that, it's fine. I just put in-store sales because, or in-store use. Sorry.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So again, this was for the Supreme is 29.70.
70.
And then the
The regular
regular
26.55.
26.55. Okay.
Yep. So we go into the ledger.
hmm How many pounds did we use for the regular
We
coffee?
use, we use 16 and a half. And it was 26.55 plus 64 28, it is 90.83.
90,
83.
90. Okay, good. 90.83. Okay. Okay, for Supreme Coffee.
For Supreme Coffee, first we have a 60 pound and a half for 29.70. 29.70.
29.70.
It is 100.
Okay. 103.50. Okay. And we're gonna go to update our inventory. Okay, here's our regular coffee.
So the local coffee, 60 pounds. 26.55. It is 311 and 42.
Good. 311.42. And let's see if that matches. 311.42. Good.
Yep.
Okay. Supreme Coffee.
So we have a 60.5 pound. Page 8. 7 minus 29.70. It is 350.
Perfect. 350 even. Good.
Yep, that's all.
Yep. Okay. So now we are finally on the new day, right? We deposit everything in the bank. We are starting a new day. So this time, let's see what happened here. What happened on Thursday, June 20th?
Is that the second order that he did before, no? If I'm not wrong.
Second order. Okay, good. What did we do with the second order?
So we're supposed to deliver it.
Yes, we are delivering it today.
Invoice good. So the same. This time we paid just 50%. Oh, the order is smaller. I said we didn't pay anything. So the same like the last time.
Okay, so in this case, right?
Yeah.
What are we doing here?
Okay, they pay with a check. Let's see, I forgot. So this is the idea really good. Oops, sorry. Oh, well, sorry.
That's okay.
So we have to write the check and everything, no?
So are we writing the check or are we collecting the check?
No, I'm collecting the check.
We're collecting the check, okay? So we have money in our checking, okay? What else?
So account receivable, no?
Account receivable, good.
And checking.
Okay, so what's in my checking?
63.88.
Okay, how much is my accounts? Hold on, 63.88. How much is in my account receivable?
97, no, 127, 75.
Okay, that's my
The total,
total.
97.75. 97.75.
Okay, but in this case, if I paid in this case, the corner bookstore pays $63.88. How much does corner bookstore owe me?
Is half. It's supposed to be the same amount.
For how much?
Oh, 63.87.
Yes, $63.87. Okay. How much coffee regular did I sell?
The regular we sell 32.90.
Okay, Supreme.
Supreme we have a 39.90.
And then ceramic coffee mugs.
24.25.
Okay, and last but not least,
The tax we have no, the tax,
no
the
tax.
COD 63.88.
Okay,
Oh
so
no, actually no. Delivery is sorry, $30. I don't know what I watching. Delivery income. Yep.
I have 127.75 on the left, 127.75 on the right. Okay, so
Good. So
I need to change my description, right? Because this time it's the corner bookstore.
and this is delivery.
Okay, invoice. What invoice number did I issue this person?
102
102. Okay, and did they pay?
with a check. With a check 784. And then they have a terms if you wanna write 50%, COD net 5.
Check number 74. Okay. All right. So then
We going to the ledger.
gonna go to the ledger. Okay. So first we have checking.
Checking for 63.88. See. For 21.46 plus 63.88. So we have 1,485.34.
Good. Correct. Okay. Okay. Accounts receivable. Okay.
Yep. Account receivable plus 63.87. 173. Invoice 102.
Okay. What is it? 63.87.
Yeah, and it is 173.39.
Sorry. 139.
73.
Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So next is the revenue sales for regular coffee. How many pounds did I sell?
10 pound.
Okay. Journal number 8. Okay, so we sold 10 pounds
Mm-hmm.
at $32.90.
32.90. Yep.
Okay, so
82.25. Mm-hmm.
okay. Okay. Here we sold 10 pounds of the Supreme coffee.
Yes, for 39 by 90 and time to 79.80.
Okay. Coffee mugs.
Coffee bags 25. Bye bye.
Just 5?
Mm-hmm. Just 5.
5 mugs. General journal number 8. Okay. For how much?
For 24.95.
Okay.
236.59.
Good. Okay. Then last but not least, we have delivery income. Okay, delivery income for invoice number 102. General journal number 8 for $30. So therefore, what should be my total amount in my delivery income?
$60.
$60. Good. Okay. So what's next?
Next, so the commission, we have to write it. Okay.
Okay, we can do that. So commission.
Oh, we have to go to the subsidiary ledger, no?
We are in the subsidiary ledger.
Mm-hmm. So we have on the corner here is the number 2 order,
Okay. So it's the 20th. Okay.
the 20th,
102.
42, and 10%.
10%.
Mm-hmm.
So in this case, what is 10% of 127.75?
So we have a 12.78.
1278. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. Now this is, I'm just going to go ahead and tally up the totals here.
Are
Okay,
you at?
so then every day that I have something I'm just adding up the total. So in this case, I owe a grand total of $34.69 to Albert.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's how I want to do my total commissions. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
all right.
Yep. So we have a corner book like
So who did you deal with? Did we deal with a customer, vendor, or an employee?
customer.
We dealt with a customer. So in this case, we're going to go to subsidiary ledger, right? We need to go to the corner bookstore. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
corner bookstore. It is the 20th, right? They paid the 50% COD with the check number 784. Okay, invoice number 102. Post reference, page 8.
It's 8.
What was my terms?
50 COD net 5.
So in this case, what is my actual due date that this bill is due in?
25th.
25th, okay? Now in this case, what was my total sales amount?
127.75.
Okay. And how much did Corner Bookstore pay?
63.88.
Okay. So therefore, if I run my formula once again, sales minus advanced minus returns minus discounts minus payments. Therefore, Corner Bookstore owes me $63.87.
Yep.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in this case, I'm going to also remember to at least record that I collected money, right? I collected money, but I'm not going to deposit until the very end of the day.
The
So
day.
so in this case, how much was my check written out for?
$63.88.
$63.88. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so then what is next?
Received from all things ceramic and the invoice 159. 80
Okay,
ceramic coffee
before that
cups.
happens, right? What is the one thing that we have to update because we have some certain kind of inventory?
Oh, we have to the inventory. Yes, but we
Mm-hmm.
did it. Oops.
Mm-hmm. So again,
As we go into the, we have to do the cost of goods sold, no?
yep.
And we have to update the inventory. We did no, we didn't do with that.
No, we did not. So let's go ahead. Let's see. So we sold 10 pounds of regular
10 pounds of
coffee
regular
and
coffee.
10 pounds of supreme coffee. So inventory worksheet.
Mm-hmm.
Oops, wrong one. Okay, inventory worksheet. Here we are at regular coffee.
Okay. Yep. Regular coffee. So we have 10 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
10 pounds time. It's gonna be 60.09. Yep.
Okay, 16. Yeah, good. 16 and 9 cents.
16 and 9 cents. Yep.
Okay, so how many pounds do I now have left in inventory?
180. 183.5.
Good. Okay, if I started out with 311.42 and you sold 1609,
295.33.
295.33. Excellent. Okay.
551.5. So we have again 1.60942 lot 27.
Okay. Good. All right, so we sold 16 and 9 cents worth of regular coffee. Okay, so now let's talk about Supreme Coffee. Supreme Coffee we have here, right? We sold another 10 pounds at what cost per item?
180. One,
$1.80?
yeah, 80. So we have $80 too.
Yes, $18. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Coffee.
So then we also
Yep.
have to update our inventory. So quantity
Inventory
77.5
7,
minus 10,
67,
67 and a half.
half for 150. Yep.
Good.
That's all.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
So now we have our numbers, right? We have 1609 and 18. So let's go ahead and update our inventory or update our journal. So in this case, right, 1609
Oh, 1609 and 18.
and 18 for the Supreme.
Yep.
Okay, there you go.
So that's
So now we got to go to the ledger. Start off with the cost of goods sold. So start with regular coffee. Sold 10 pounds. 1609.
Yep. So 106 and 82 cents.
Good. In 92 or 82?
92.
Perfect.
92.
Okay. Supreme coffee, right?
Yep.
We sold 10 pounds.
A pound for 18. $121.50.
121.50. Good. All right. Let's go ahead and update our inventory on hand. So let's see. Regular coffee. Here we are. Regular coffee.
Mm-hmm.
We sold 10 pounds.
Yep.
For 1609.
60.09. So we have a 195 and 33 cents.
Good. 295.33. But we know that.
Mm-hmm.
Update your Supreme coffee. 620.
Pound.
Sold 10 pounds
For $18.
for $18.
Mm-hmm. 332.
$332 even. Good. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at our scenario here. Okay. We have time for we have the net time for the next two transactions, and then we'll save the next grand opening for the next round. So let's go ahead and receive all things ceramics coffee mugs.
We receive
Mm-hmm.
invoice. Delivery check. Right. Okay, so block. That means that we buy, we sell, we order, we what?
In this case, we received from All Things Ceramics invoice number 159. What does it mean to receive?
You have your account payable, no?
Yes, because we received a bill, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, in this case, we bought 80 ceramic coffee mugs, okay, $2.46 each, giving me $196.80, plus a freight was charged $100. And this time we have
So
terms of 1% 10 net 30.
account payable, and we have ceramic coffee cups.
Now, in this case, what kind of inventory tracking method are we using to keep track of the coffee cups, coffee mugs?
Perpetual. No, periodic.
Periodic. So what does that tell you?
Sorry. What does it mean?
How do you journalize a periodic inventory?
Purchase expense.
Purchase expense.
Account payable.
Purchase expense. What else? Do we include the freight into the entire
No,
purchase, or do we separate it?
no, separate.
So in this
We have a
case,
freight. Yeah, we have a $100 freight. Sorry, freight, $100. Expense, freight, and that's all. Now we have a account payable.
yes, and we're placed on accounts payable because we were given terms.
Uh-huh. So 196.
So what is
$400.
freight again? 6,300.
100. The freight. Let me see.
Account number?
Don't know. Didn't. Where is it? The freight delivery. It is 6,300.
All right. What about purchase expense?
Purchase expense. Purchase expense. Let me see. 1 second. Purchase expense. Where is purchase expense? Here, 61,000.
Okay. And what's the total amount of accounts payable?
296.
296.80.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we have all the information that we need, right? What is that?
Was that is an order?
Mm-hmm.
So we purchased ceramic cup
Mm-hmm. From?
all things ceramic.
Okay. What invoice number is this?
159.
Okay. What was the terms?
We have a 1% and net 30.
Good. Okay.
Invoice, okay, so we go into the ledger.
Okay. Go to the ledger.
1%. 10, 30. Okay, that's all. And this is the 20. We're gonna do the deposit or nope?
The
Actually, the deposit we have to do with this. That's all.
no
Ah, no,
deposit for this one.
no, not yet. We have another. Okay, yeah. No, I said from before. If we finish the day, I didn't pay attention. Nope, no, not yet.
Yeah, no, we didn't finish it. We finished the day last time.
Mm-hmm.
Right? We already deposited the money in the bank
Mm-hmm.
for the 19.
For the 19.
Yes.
Yep. Where I am. It's here. Okay. Shall we? Okay, so we have a purchase expense first.
Mm-hmm.
You know the
Purchase expense
for 96.80.
for 80 mugs.
Yep. 80 bucks. The price is $246 each. 392 and 80 cents.
392.80. Good.
Mm-hmm.
What else do I need to have here?
So
What's
we have the
next?
freight.
Freight. Here we are. Freight.
Mm-hmm. 80 bucks. Yep. Page 8. $100, $200.
Okay, 200. Good.
Account payable.
Accounts payable.
So 12, 296.80. So 12,889.45. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Now we have to the subsidiary ledger.
We need to update our subsidiary ledger. Good. Okay. To vendors. Who is this? All Things Ceramics.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. We received 80 coffee mugs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Invoice number.
159.
Okay.
Page 8.
Mm-hmm.
Net 1% 10 1% 10 net 30.
Okay. So when is the discount due date?
Let me see. We have 20 and 10 days, the 30th.
Okay. And when is it due?
The next month, the July 20.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What was the invoice amount?
196.80.
296 because it's the entire bill.
296. Yeah, 296.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Right. Mm-hmm. So, 296. Yep.
Okay.
296.80.
So that means in grand total you owe to All Things Ceramics is $492.80.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Good. What's the last thing we have to do?
That's all, no?
Nope, there's one more thing we have to do.
We did the journal, the ledger, the subsidiary ledger.
Well, what did we buy?
Oh, the commission.
No, not the commission. What did we buy?
We buy ceramic coffee
Okay, what is the ceramic coffee mugs are? What are they?
on perpetual. Periodic
Periodic what?
inventory.
Okay, so we bought inventory. So what do we do with inventory?
So we have to adjust the inventory.
Yes, we have to adjust the inventory. So in this case, right, now we get to finally go into our coffee mugs once again. Okay, so today's date is the 20th. How many cups did we receive?
Mm-hmm. So we received 80.
We received 80.
Yeah. 246.
Mm-hmm.
So we have 6, 5,
Freight was 100.
100, yeah.
So then what is, let's go ahead and just practice this. What is my cost per item? Or sorry, what's my total cost? Excuse me.
296.80.
296.80. So let's practice this for practice. So what's my cost per item here?
296.80 divided by how many? 80.
Mm.
So we have a 371.
$3.71. Again, we're gonna do weighted average, but in this case, I'm just having you practice here. Okay. Good. Excellent. All right, good. Okay, let's see. Mm-hmm.
The 81, the 80 was from the other one, right? From the that we buy.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. So in this case, let's go ahead and do this last transaction right here, and then we'll go ahead and stop here for today and continue this on tomorrow, okay, with our grand opening sales, okay? So in this case, what did Albert do here?
Order, submit an order. estimate an order. We have to update the commission, no? Just
Yes.
that.
Okay, so in this case, who ordered Great Restaurant? Okay, for $556.05. So commissions in Albert. We have a fourth customer called the Great Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Okay.
556.05.
Excellent. All right, when are we going to be delivering it?
The 22 June 22.
Good. Okay. So that is it for today. Okay, so we'll stop here. All right. So like I said, because you're the only one here, I'm
Yep.
gonna.